Fixtures are an essential part of manufacturing, but designing them can be a long, expensive process that takes valuable time away from your design team. This is where fixturemate comes in. Fixturemate is developed by Trinkle, a Berlin-based software company that focuses on design automation within the field of additive manufacturing, or 3D printing as it's more commonly known. We've developed Fixturemate to empower anybody to design fixtures, even if you've never used CAD software before. Simple interfaces control advanced algorithms, which not only makes the design process easier, but up to 5 times faster than traditional CAD software. Using Fixturemate, anybody can design a fixture in under 20 minutes. Design novices benefit from simple user interfaces without steep learning curves, while more experienced designers can streamline the design process by automating repetitive manual CAD tasks. When a design is ready, it can be manufactured locally in a matter of hours using a 3D printer and deployed to wherever it's needed for service. Pairing the design automation workflow with 3D printing in this way can reduce lead times that traditionally take weeks to a matter of days or less, and can reduce design costs by up to 90%. Fixturemate is already being used by various industries for all kinds of fixtures, including machining fixtures, measuring fixtures, tool organizers and shadow boards, bonding and welding fixtures, inspection gauges, and carrier trays for internal logistics. So, with that in mind, follow us while we show you how to design a simple assembly fixture using Fixturemate.